conceptual perspective, things people talk about it, success, all of the elements they think, intelligence.
Hi, good morning everyone. I wanted to do a quick video. I'm in Galveston right now, about to do some volunteer work, but there was something on my mind that I wanted to put out there in the universe so everybody can know. Because I know that my husband, he's always on his YouTube channels and he's even on Facebook celebrating me, but I wanted to take this time this morning to celebrate him. I wanted to say that I appreciate the man that you are. I appreciate that you came into my life when it was so chaotic, and yet you didn't run. You stepped up to the plate. You were a father to my children. You were a great man to me, and you're a great person overall. So I want to celebrate you this morning, just to let you know and everybody else know how grateful I am to have you. I would like to think that I'm the blessed one in this marriage, in this situation, because this man walked into my life. He accepted all of my kids as his own. He loved me unconditionally. He knew my story and he didn't judge me. Do you know how many men out there that, of course they wanted me, but they didn't want what all came with me? But this man was different. He came into my life and he wanted my totality, all of me. And I just want to celebrate you this morning. I want to say that, you know, I know that none of us are perfect. You've made your mistakes. I've made mine. But you've come back from those mistakes, and you're still fighting. You're still in the fight, and I appreciate that. And I just wanted to celebrate you, to say, baby, I love you. You're a great man. We're headed somewhere. We're about to open up our community center. We're going to be doing the work that a lot of people talk about. We're really about. You know, if you're going to talk about it, let's be about it. So that's who Rick is. Another thing that I love about my husband was that he's such a great communicator. Actually, he communicates too well sometimes, but he's a fantastic communicator. I can remember when I was dating, you know, men were so bad at communicating. They didn't know how to tell you how they felt or what they wanted from you. I mean, from the gate, he came in and say, look, I'm not looking to date. I want to marry you. I want to be your husband. He took the lead in the relationship. And ladies, if you ever question anybody's true concern, a man is going to let you know right off the top what he wants from you. He's not going to say, oh, well, let's see where things go. As soon as he say, let's see where things go, then that's when you need to go. Because he's playing with you and he's wasting your time. So baby, this live today is just celebrating you. I appreciate you. I love you for all that you've done for me, my children. I know that I was already in my work and you were already in yours, but you've helped me along in my work. You've given me the stability and the confidence in knowing that you got me, that I'm able to do my gifts better. I'm able to be a better woman. So I appreciate you. I love you. God bless you and keep you. I believe in you. We're going to do phenomenal things together. And I'm going to go before I get in trouble because I need to go inside the church. So I will see you when I get home. Bye-bye.
Here I come, ready or not. Frank Ocean made this record hot.
From a conceptual
sounded better than Jay.
perspective, things people talk
Real
about
talk,
it,
I ain't throwing shots. Careful who you